In my memory, I will always see the town that I have loved so well, where the school played ball by the factory wall, and we laughed through the smoke and the smell. Going out in the rain, running up the dark lane, past the jail and down behind the fountain. Those were happy days in so many, many ways, in the town I love so well. In the early morning, the shirt factory horn brought women from Correct, the moor and the bow, while the men on the dole played a mother's role, fed the children and then trained the dog. As times got rough, there was just about enough, but they saw to root out complaining, for deep inside was a burning pride in the town I love so well. There was music there in the dairy air, like a language that we could understand. I remember the day when I earned my first pay, and I played in a small pickup band. There I spent my youth, and to tell you the truth, I was sad to leave it all behind me. There I learned about life, and I found a wife in the town I love so well. But when I returned, how my eyes did burn to see how a town could be brought to its knees by the armored cars and the bombed-out bars and the gas that hangs on to every roof. Now the army's installed by that old gas yard wall, and the damn barbed wire gets higher and higher, with their tanks and guns. Oh my God, what have they done to the town I love so well? Now the music's gone, but they carry on. Their spirits been bruised, never broken. They will not forget, but their hearts are set on tomorrow and peace once again. What's done is done, and what's won is won, and what's lost is lost and gone forever. I can only pray for a bright, rainy day, in the town I